Hi guys, it's me Hassa with WTI, and I love canned food, especially because sometimes I don't want to cook. And that's why this golden corn or elote tierno from Goya has been a lifesaver ever since I got married. I love this golden corn because it goes with anything. Sometimes I don't have vegetables. I just take some meat, sauce, and some of this corn, which I love. It gives sweetness to your meals. It makes it fun. And I love how you can use it not only for salads and tacos, but for rice. Here where I am from, we eat a lot of corn rice. So this goes perfect for my meals whenever I don't want to make anything complicated. It's also great for appetizers or for soups, literally anything. So if you guys want to make your meals fun and sweet at the same time, well, this one's for you. I love this elote or golden corn from Goya. My mom introduced me to this brand and I love everything from them, but this is great because you can use it for literally any meal that you plan to cook. And that's my point of view.